2D view creation, detail view, broken section view, and break line view. This lesson aims to introduce how to create break line view, broken section view, and detail view. The first case is a shaft of a reducer. Create a new sheet. Then create a standard view. Create a break line view based on the standard view. Pick the base view. Select points for cutting the lines. Set the gap. Click OK to finish. Create a full section view for the keyway. Change to the section curve method. Set location method as none. Flip arrow and pick a point to locate it. Then create another section view in the same way. Next, create a broken section view for the keyway. Pick the boundary and the depth point. Click OK to confirm the result. Create a second one for another keyway. Finally, create a detail view for the relief groove. Pick points for the boundary. Locate the note. Set the multiplier value. Pick the location to settle down the view. Click OK, and detail section view is finished.